Hello there, I'm here at Starting Skoda in Worcester, and today I'm going to be showing you around this absolutely gorgeous Skoda Kodiaq. This is the 2-litre diesel, 200 horsepower, 4x4, 7-speed DSG version in the stunning graphite grey, which is the new colour for 2022 in the metallic paint range. It looks absolutely awesome. Beautiful diamond cut wheels, 19-inch ones on this Kodiaq specifically, and the bodywork looks amazing. This was registered in 2022. Low mileage, I'll show you that as we go around the video, but just to kind of give you a bit more of an up close and personal feel for the car. Amazing condition, not a mark on it. Fantastic family car. You've got the 7 seats inside there. Some people operate with them up, some people just leave them down, just want to use it for the extra boot space. This one's also got all the mud flaps, mats, boot liner as well on here as standard. Things like your rear camera, rear sensors. You've got your front sensors on this one as well. It's boasts the electric boot. I'll show you here. And then just inside, again, just to show you kind of the configuration, you can either have the one up, just to lose it and still leave a bit of the boot space in here. You have got the parcel shelf that just actually clip out and put in the false floor underneath the bottom of the boot. Again, you've got that boot liner, or you can have it with all the seats down. It makes a monstrous size inside if you do. Then that middle row, they're also adjustable and they can be moved forwards or backwards, folded down as well. So really, really kind of nice configuration. You can make of that what you want to as well. But hugely versatile car, definitely our most popular large SUV. And again, fantastic colour. Love that with the wheels. Just to show you up inside as well, and I'll just put this seat back just to show you. You've got the full leather interior on this one, so the SEL model, top of the range version, full leather, immaculate, no funny smells, odours, stains, anything like that at all. You've got your rubber mats down the bottom there, 12-volt charger in the centre, again rubber mats the other side as well. Again, super comfortable, really spacious inside. I myself have had a Kodiaq, I absolutely loved it. Fantastic car, really nice to drive, and they don't feel as big as they look being a 7-seater as well. Again, you've got your 2 full leather seats on there. Again, incredibly comfortable, electronically adjustable seat with the memory function as well. You've then got the exact mileage, which is 8,991 miles. Things like automatic lights, automatic windscreen wipers, the huge touchscreen for your sat-nav, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, loads more on there. And then you've got your heated seats, climate control, the 4x4 automatic gearbox. But again, just to kind of give you another swing round, show you the interior. It's an awesome, awesome looking car. I can't honestly fault the condition. I think it is immaculate. Really, really nice the whole way along. So please do inquire. More than happy to arrange a test drive if you'd like to come and try the vehicle. Just give us a call, 01905 830 361. My name's Alex Webb. You can ask for myself or any of the sales team. Thank you. Bye-bye.